Welcome to Allnex Malaysia. We are the global hub for the polyester resin, where we supply our products to 29 countries around the world. In our operation, we put safety, health, environment and quality as our top priority.
Customer satisfaction is our focus. Allnex, as the leading coating resin company, we will continue to innovate and deliver the best product to our customers.
Allnex has proven to be able to manufacture superior quality products, and this with an excellent safety performance. Winning the Allnex All-Star Award and the Prime Minister Hibiscus Award is an excellent recognition for the team.